Tesla says it will discontinue production of the Model S sedan and Model X SUV, with manufacturing expected to wind down next quarter. Elon Musk shared the update during an investor call, confirming that Tesla's Fremont, California factory will be repurposed to support production of the company's Optimus humanoid robot. While the Model S and Model X helped define Tesla's early success, they now represent a smaller share of overall vehicle deliveries. The company appears to be shifting its focus toward artificial intelligence, robotics, and long-term automation growth. Financially, Tesla reported fourth-quarter earnings per share of around 50 cents, beating Wall Street expectations of roughly 45 cents. Revenue for the quarter reached approximately $24.9 billion. Despite the earnings beat, Tesla's automotive revenue declined about 11% year-over-year in 2025. Fourth-quarter vehicle deliveries also fell by around 16%, with weaker demand in Europe cited as a key factor. Going forward, investors will be watching how quickly Tesla scales Optimus production and whether robotics can offset slowing demand in certain vehicle markets. Follow for quick, clear tech updates.